So hello guys, welcome to another video, and this time I'm gonna be teaching you on how to perform the engine watchkeeping maintenance start of emergency diesel generator. So in this scenario, we only have 15 minutes to achieve our goal, which is to run our emergency generator. And this is not an ordinary tutorial. This is a hack tutorial. So what I'm going to do is just tell you the basics. Okay. So as you can see here, we have two windows, right? We have two tabs with this scenario. Every scenario of our Kongsberg, we have two tabs. In this particular scenario, one of the tab is the instructors tab. Instructors um, access. So if you can access your manual here, if you can check, if you click the malfunction page, and it says here off, this means that this tab is the instructors tab. Okay, so the other tab is this one. When you click the malfunction page, this is reset, right? So there's a difference between the two. So dito yung sinasabi ko na may hack akong ituturo sa inyo. Kasi 15 minutes lang talaga eh. At masu-short ka talaga sa time, hindi mo ma-charge tong batteries natin. Ito battery natin. Hindi iabot yung time. Babagsak talaga. Pero may hack tayo dyan. So let me go ahead and run the scenario for you. Okay, so I'm using OBS. Okay. So we're running. We only have 15 minutes again. 15 minutes lang to. First you need to do is you need to in this first so that we can charge our
You have
batteries.
only 15 minutes to fulfill the assessments.
Yeah, so 15 minutes lang. Next. Here, di ba? Makikita nyo. Ang itong dalawang generator natin ang umaandar. So, punta tayo sa emergency generator. Kasi ito yung importante na mapa-andar natin. So, i-rectify nyo lang yung i-fill in nyo lang yung mga tanks natin para maging normal yan. So, sa mga fuel o lube oil tanks, usually, ginagawa ko, hindi lang lalagpas sila ng 80, okay lang yun, or 70. Huwag nyo lang masyadong punuin. Run ito. So, close ka na yan. 64, 66. Close ka na rin yan. Normal lang yan eh. Also this one. So, you can see here, the emergency generator diesel oil day tank is the low, but we're going to make this normal by operating our emergency generator manually. So you need to prime your generator using hydraulic accelerator or accelerate pressure pump. So make sure guys, make sure talaga na aabot to ng 200, lalagpas pa basta hindi siya below 200 bago nyo start tong ating valve, hydraulic start valve. So naka-manual to, naka-stop. Wait lang natin na maging 200 siya. This is included in your score to prime at 200 bars of pressure. So yan, 200 na. Nalagpas ng konti, start. So our emergency generator is officially starting by hydraulic pressure. So as you can see, this is starting to fill up, and that's the goal, to normalize that tank. Yan, normal na. Dito sa nakikita nyo sa start battery natin, go to MD073. You can see that our battery is at 14 volts. Kailangan umabot tayo ng 23, at least 23 volts para mapaandar natin ito ng walang assistant ng hydraulic pressure. So our goal here is to be able to start our engine or emergency generator in manual mode. Yan. Kasi at least ipara natin to sa hydraulic pressure at least 1 minute. Tsaka i-stop natin. So, paabutin na natin ng 4 or 4:30. Okay na yan. I-stop na natin yan. So again, explain ko ulit sa inyo. Dito, sa batteries natin, diba? Hindi mo maklik yung ito na battery system display. It is not accessible. So, hindi mo talaga mahahack yan. Let's go back. So, let's just wait for 4 minutes. 4:30. And then we're going to stop our emergency generator. Okay, so stop. Diba? Nakahinto na. Ang main challenge natin dito is ito. Mauuwasan ka na ng time, hindi mo pa rin ma-achieve yung 23 volts na kailangan natin. So dito papasok ang hack natin. 'Di ba sabi ko sa inyo nung una na ito yung students tab at saka ito yung instructor tab. Pwede natin to manipulate sa instructor tab. 'Di ba? Makikita nyo dito. Click nyo to. Oh, 'di ba? So, meron tayong access sa instructor tab. Pwede natin ma-change ang value ng ating voltage dito. So, since we need 23, so we're just gonna input ito 16. So, we're going to input here, just jump. You can do that. It's just put 22 or 21. Okay na yan. 22, then 21. Automatically, di ba, nawala na yung red. So, normal na yan. Yan ang hack dito sa specific na scenario na ito. So, makikita natin na may malfunction dito. So, sa emergency starter motor failure. Balik tayo sa dito. Dito lang natin marireset. Kasi kapag dito ka nag-reset, dito, sa instructor, naka-on yan. So kapag, wag mo tong do not ever touch this malfunction page here. Do not do anything. Just go back to your students tab. Yung may reset, dito lang dapat ka mag-click. Just click it multiple times, and then as you can see here, our malfunction is now gone. Go back. You see? So, malfunction summary here sa instructor's tab is already rectified. Yun yung hack. And then, we only have, we are at 7-minute mark. Meaning, meron pa tayong time. Yun lang talaga yung goal. Mapaandar yung emergency generator natin. So, balik tayo sa students tab. Itong students tab, we can observe that we already have 21.89 volts. So, tendency kapag ito yung voltahin nyo at saka in-start nyo to, magti-trip yan. Which means uh, nakaka-deduct ito sa score nyo. So, we need to at least 23. 23 to. So, we still have time. But for me, just to be quick, I like to manipulate this again. Just put this into 24. Enter. Then 23. Enter. So yan. Huwag masyadong i-overvalue. So nakikita nyo, 22 na tayo. So umaatras yan. Pero in the long run, tataas rin yan. So kapag umabot tayo ng 23, yan ang hihintayin natin, 23. I-start natin to. So let's see what's our alarm here. Bridge control loss of response. So since we're still waiting for this, we can go to panel directory. Oh, we can't access that here. So dun tayo sa instructors tab. Panel directory. Here, bridge control. Just reset the loss response alarm so that, diba, nawala na yung loss of response. Next alarm natin is 19. At DG1 auto control. So we can find that alarm here in our powered shift generator control. So you see, it's blinking. So just click that and the alarm will go away. So we don't have alarm anymore. Actually, this is not necessary. This is not a necessary step, but for me, it's nice to see if we don't have any alarm. So let's go back to our emergency generator. So we have 23.20 volts. So we can start. We can start our emergency generator without having to worry about any alarms or trips. As you can see, our emergency generator is running smoothly. Yan. Diba? Work smarter, not harder, kumbaga. Pero hindi, I think ito lang na scenario ang may ganitong case. Yan. Diba? Walang trip. Ang tendency, like sinabi ko kanina, kapag 20 lang ang volts mo or 21, tas nag-start ka, magti-trip ka talaga. Mag-stop tong emergency generator mo. It will automatically stop or have a lot of alarms. And that is the thing, one of the things na we should avoid because it will definitely deduct your score. So just observe. Just observe. So we are at our 11 minutes mark. So 15 minutes, guys. Do not stop the scenario unless your time is over. Minus points din yun. Just wait. And you don't have to do anything here in the breaker. You don't have to do anything here. You see? The only thing you need to do is just to monitor your emergency generator. You don't have to connect it to the breaker or anything like that. Just observe or just kill the time. But do not ever close the scenario without the time, without the stop of the time. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. For more videos, you can check my YouTube channel. I have a lot of tutorials for you to be able to have um, guide in your online simulator. If you have any suggestions, you can message or you can comment down below. So we're almost done with our time. Again, this is the student tab and this is the instructor tab. In the instructor tab, you can access everything. Unlike in the student tab, you can see almost every um, display is not accessible. Only this pictures or directory, and we cannot access the power chip also. So that's the difference. So again, this I think this is the only scenario that the instructor's guide is present. This is the only scenario I have encountered. So if this wasn't a hack or we didn't use the hack, all we have to do is just wait for the batteries to be charged and reach 23 volts. That's up. That's all. But since we have time restrictions, so we use desperate measures, char. Desperate measures. In real life, we can't do that. We need to wait for the batteries to be charged. Here. And here's 72. Here. We can only wait for this. Okay? So do not over put a lot of bots. Just follow
15
what I did.
minutes consumed.
So our
Stop
15-minute
assessment.
assessment is consumed. Okay. So I helped you through this video. Goodbye everyone.